Hey y'all, so today's video, more nails, and this is a little box of goodies that was sent to me by Madam Glam. Yes, Madame, however you want to say it. So I was excited to see what was inside. I haven't opened this yet. So happy to see two gel colors. And they're both really good. And then a top coat and a base coat, which I have been needing. I'm like all out of my Beetles and my McCart brand. So then they also sent me this like LED light or UV light, whatever it is. It's like cute and portable. So, we'll see how this thing works. They also sent me a cord for it. And then basically to let you guys know what's going on here, I took off my acrylic flower set. If you saw in my last video, it took me hours to do, and honestly I wasn't even that happy with it, so we kind of took it right off. And since my set is very much so like still fresh, I didn't want to just stick with the French blend that I had underneath the acrylic flowers, so I got it as smooth as I possibly could with the remaining poly gel that's left on my nails. And honestly, I'm just kind of ready to take this set off and start over. So I thought before we do that, we're gonna try out these polishes on this set or whatever. Yeah, the nails don't look the best, but we're gonna work with it. So that little lamp, I could not get it to work. I tried just about everything. I tried different outlets, I tried different boxes and cords, and I just had to go with my regular big light because I didn't know how to use that other one. So can we just take a second to talk about the base gel? I don't know if any of you have ever used this brand before. I've never even heard of them, and I'm obsessed. I mean, their base gel was like full to the top. The bottle was heavy and full, and that's really good to at least know you're getting the best bang for your buck. I'm gonna keep this website in mind now. Of course, I'm so happy with the products. And at first, you know what, with this pink, I was looking at the label and I'm like, I don't know if I like that color. Then I opened it and I'm like, that doesn't necessarily look exactly like it does on the front of the bottle. So I was playing around with it, and once I got my left hand painted, I was like, wow, I'm obsessed. And I still have this color on my left hand, and I think I want to do like a pedicure with it because it's so good. I just think it would look even better if I was tan. One thing I think I noticed right off the bat was that this color is like thick, and not like old nail polish thick where it's almost sticky-ish because it's gel polish, but it's just thick paint. Like, I can't even describe it. I've never used anything like that, but it makes me feel like it's durable, and I really like how it applied to my left hand, so I thought let's go ahead and do my right hand, the other color. So I think the exact same thing about this color. It must be all their gel colors are kind of thick, like thick paint. Also, as you can see, I did put like daisies. I painted them on each individual finger, and I did it off camera because they only sent me two colors, Madam Glam or whatever, however you want to say it. Yeah, so I thought I would just use my Beetles gel polish off camera. I loved the power of these polishes. I think it was so good, so perfect. Definitely a new brand that I'm absolutely in love with. Their top coat is same thing as the base. It's like thick, and the bottle is full, like to the top. You're definitely getting your money's worth, and it's also a good size bottle, a good shape, and I'm going with like good quality. I mean, I think it's good stuff. It's a cute spring set. I love both these colors individually. When I look at my left hand, I feel like I should have just did all of it this color, and when I look at my right hand, I'm like, wow, I love that color too, especially with the daisies on it. Very spring, summer-ish set. And if you guys want to see a tutorial on how I did the flowers, they're not the best by any means, but I tried my best, of course, and I could always show you guys how I do them in a different video. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. I give Madam Glam a 10 out of 10. Go check them out, and I'll see you guys soon on my channel. I'm going to leave my socials in the description box below in case you guys want to follow me on Instagram or TikTok or whatever. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.